Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am an Abuja YouTuber filming right here from the capital city of Nigeria. Now I'm going to be sharing with you a 4-step skincare routine for everyone who is acne prone, oily skinned. What kind of products should you be using? I'm going to be detailing all of that in this video for you. I'm also going to be sharing with you how you can actually use this product in the morning and in the evening in order to achieve a glowing skin, regardless of the kind of acne that you have on your skin. For those of you who are OGs on this channel, you've probably heard me say once or twice, okay, that most of the time you do not need to do a lot for your skin. One of the first things you should take into consideration when you are trying to get a skincare product is to know what your skincare concern is. Now, if you're experiencing hyperpigmentations and dark spots on your skin, you need to be looking for products that target those particular skin concerns to take care of them. And now, I'm not saying that it is not possible to, take care of some of these skincare concerns, like while you're taking care of your acne, you're brightening your skin, making your dull skin to come alive, okay, taking care of hyperpigmentations. But the best way to get the best results from whatever skincare routine that you are applying or that you are making use of is to focus on a particular skincare concern per time. So I would advise that if you have acne on your skin, the first thing you want to do is to pay attention to the acne. Forget about the hyperpigmentations and the rest of them, because the truth is that in the course of treating your acne, some of these other skincare concerns will actually fade off or take care of themselves in the long run because of some extra ingredients that might be in that product you're using to take care of your pimples. Now, the 4 basic skincare routine for everyone who has acne is 4. Okay, it's not more than 4, and you don't need more than 4 products. Like I said, I already established the fact that you need to focus on taking care of your acne. Now, the first step in our skincare routine, of course, is our cleanser. The first thing you want to do is to wash your face. What I currently use to wash my face is this cleanser from Uncover. It is their green tea revitalizing cleanser that also contains salicylic acid and African rice extract. Okay, this is what I currently use on my skin. So the first thing you want to do, whether in the morning or at night, is to wet your skin first. After wetting your skin, you take a little amount of your cleanser, you lather on your hands first, and then you wash your face, okay, with it. Now, the way to make your cleanser effective is not to wash it off immediately. Now, if you have acne and the products that you're using to cleanse your face contain some ingredients that are supposed to help with your acne, that is supposed to help to clear your pores, you want to give it between 30 seconds to 60 seconds to actually work on your skin. So do not be in a hurry to wash off your cleanser immediately. Allow it to sit on your face after you've applied it on your face before you go ahead to rinse off. Now, this particular cleanser is actually a bit new to my skincare routine. Okay, I've not used it for a long period of time. This should be about the 2nd or 3rd time that I am using it, and I like the fact that it does not strip your skin of any oil or any moisture at all. When you use so many other cleansers, okay, even when they promise to be mild and gentle, you always notice that squeaky feeling, like when you finish washing a plate very clean on your face. When you finish cleansing your face, that is because it has actually stripped your skin of the natural oils on it. But this does not do that, and I'm loving it for it. Okay, you guys, I'm going to try to get a link to where you can actually shop for this product on their site and leave it in the description area for you to go and shop for it. Okay, so for the 2 to 3 times I have used it, it is lovely, it is amazing. I love the feel that it gives. And you guys, it is not fragrance free, but it is not at the same time overwhelming. Like, you literally might not even perceive the smell, okay, of this product while you're applying it on your face. It is very gentle to your skin. So now, the second step in this skincare routine for my oily skin guys and babes, okay, is to get a skin treatment. Now, that is why I say you need to know your skin concern. If what you're trying to tackle is your dull skin, then you want to get a serum that targets, brightening your dull skin and giving your skin that supple, younger look that you want. If what you are targeting is your hyperpigmentations, you want to look for products that will take care of that. And if what you are also targeting is to treat your acne, you want the acne, the inflammations, everything to dry out, to leave your skin clean, flawless, then what you want to look for are serums. Okay, currently I am using this exfoliating serum, this salicylic acid serum from Face Facts. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, this is what I am currently using. You can use salicylic acid, you can use alpha arbutin, depending on what you want to target. You can use tretinoin, but if you're just starting out adding these actives on your skincare routine or on your skin, I want to advise that you start with salicylic acid because it is the most gentle of all of them. Okay, and one reason why I actually like this and I picked this is that it doesn't just contain salicylic acid. Here it says it contains 2% salicylic acid that helps to smooth your skin's appearance and texture for blemish prone and oily skin girlies. So currently in my skincare routine, this is the treatment serum that I am using, and the reason is because I am targeting my acne. You guys, for about a month now, I have not been on makeup. I don't know if you have noticed. The only makeup I've been having on is probably my eyeliner and my lipstick, okay, except okay on occasions when maybe on a Sunday or there's an event and then I apply makeup, all right, but I have not been applying makeup. And the reason is because I started having very terrible breakouts. My period from 2 months ago was really horrible, and I needed to stop anything that would, further irritate my skin. I've been using this for about a week now, and it has been doing the job, you guys. If you would like a more detailed review about this particular salicylic acid serum from Face Facts, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be detailing all of that in another video. Now, you can use this in the morning, you can use it at night as well, but for someone who is starting for the first time, I would advise that you use it once a day, maybe in the morning, in the night. But I would also recommend that you use it mostly at night, because that is when your skin actually gets to rest, okay, and your skin actually rejuvenates itself, as against when you apply it and you go out into the sun. I mean, it's a lot of actives, especially if you're going to be stepping out immediately to go to work or any other thing you need to do for the day. So when you're adding any skincare product, even if it is not the salicylic acid serum, but is a treatment product that is supposed to take care of a skincare concern that you're trying to treat or take care of, it is advisable that you use them at night, okay. So currently I use this only at night, and then I go in with my moisturizer, which is of course the third step of our skincare routine. Now, the moisturizer I currently use is this Simple Hydrating Light moisturizer. This is the first time I'm using this product, and I must tell you that I enjoy it. It is very gentle, it is very mild, okay, and it just gives you this sweet clean feel. You see, there is this confidence that comes with using a moisturizer and knowing that your skin is hydrated, and like it says, it is light, and it is actually very, very light. So if you're looking for a simple moisturizer that you can use to your skin, please look for the Hydrating Light moisturizer, especially if you're an acne prone person or an oily skin person. This is what you should be using. It is light in consistency, as against the other one that is the Replenishing Rich moisturizer, which is actually thicker in consistency and could actually even clog your pores more. Now, another reason why I like this light moisturizer is because it contains niacinamide as well. So it means that while I'm making use of the salicylic acid in my face wash and as a treatment serum, I'm going in with niacinamide, which will help to also improve my skin texture and even out my complexion at the same time. It also contains vitamin B5, which helps to replenish and renew my skin building blocks. It contains vitamin A, known to promote softer, smoother and healthier looking skin, and also plant-based glycerin for non-stop hydration. You guys, I feel so hydrated, like my skin feels like that of a baby right now. You guys, I love this. This is one of the best moisturizers I have used so far. And that of course takes me to the last step in our skincare routine, which is one of the most, in fact, which is the most important step. And I will tell you this, even if you don't have money to start treating your skin immediately for whatever your skincare concern is, please do not leave your house without a sunscreen. Yes, my darlings, when I started my skincare journey, I made sure that I always had this. And even when I had, blemishes, I had acne, even just using my sunscreen and protecting my skin helped to reduce the inflammation, okay. And now currently the sunscreen I'm using is this Dr. Rachel Sun Cream Whitening, okay, SPF 75. You guys, let me tell you, this was a random buy. Actually, I went to a store to shop for a sunscreen, okay, that I needed because I had run out of the last one. Then I stumbled on this. The color was very attractive, and another thing that got me interested was that it says here that it is pore shrinking, oil control, wearable under makeup, anti-sweat, waterproof moisturizing sunscreen. And of course, I will always opt for sunscreens that are moisturizing. So this is what I'm currently using in my skincare routine. This of course can only be used during the day. So let's go over our skincare routine once again. First thing is your cleanser, followed by your treatment serum, followed by your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. Now, how do you apply this product? At night time, after cleansing your face, you can go in with your salicylic acid and your moisturizer. On some days, okay, for example, my cleanser contains salicylic acid and this contains salicylic acid as well. So I might want to go gentle and just cleanse my face on some days and just apply my moisturizer and go to bed. One other important thing you need to know is sometimes you need to understand your skin. My skin is such that no matter how good a skincare product is, there's a way I'm going to overbody my skin with skincare products, it will not even care anymore. Literally. I always go gentle and easy on them, and it works amazing. I mean, you guys, you can see the glow coming back to my skin already. I'm literally loving what my skin feels like already, you guys. Now remember that salicylic acid is also a form of exfoliation, so it means that since you already have this salicylic acid treatment and you probably have it in your cleanser, there is no need for you to look for a moisturizer or that also contains salicylic acid. Okay, that is too much exfoliation for your skin. Now, bonus tip, my darlings, if you want your skin to glow, please drink water, use a face mask at least once a week, steam at least 2 times a month. Okay, I'm not saying every week. Let's be realistic, let's come to human terms, not social media aesthetics. At least, okay, try to steam your face once or twice a month. I have a video on how you can steam your face. I'm going to try to leave it also in the description area and in the card here or here for you to see. And that brings me to the end of this video, my darlings. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section below. What product are you currently using to take care of your acne? What products have you used in the past that have worked for you? Have you used any of these products that I have listed or talked about here in this video? Also, let me know in the comment section below. If you have other questions, please ask me. Okay, ask me. I'm waiting to answer your questions right there in the comment section below or in a video, okay, if need be. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you found this video helpful, of course, please hit the subscribe button if you've not done that yet already. Like this video, share out this video, join our channel membership. Okay, click on that thanks button and show some love and support to this channel. Until I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay live, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Sugar loves you. Bye.